Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to set up a VTU portal. Alright, now what is a VTU portal? A VTU portal is a website for selling data subscriptions, airtime top-up, electricity bill and wire things. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set this portal up and running. If this is the first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. And please also make sure you watch this very video from beginning to the end so that you understand how to set up a VTU portal. Okay, because at the end of this video I'm going to do giveaway. Yes, there's a giveaway in this video, so don't skip any part because you don't know where I will share the giveaway. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Alright, now let me go to my browser right now to show you how to set up a VTU portal. Alright, okay, so the first thing you have to do is to get a domain name and a hosting. Make sure you use the link down below description of this video to get your own domain name and hosting. Okay, so when you use the link, this is where you find yourself. Okay, now what you're going to do is to create an account here. Okay, but if you have an account already, it's okay, but let me show you how to get a domain name. Okay, so here go to domain registrations. Okay, for example, let me use my VTU.com.ng. let me see if it is available, so I'll click on search. Is unavailable. Right, now let me check another one, datavending.com.ng. let me search again. Good, this one is available. It is 1,300 naira per year for this particular domain name. Okay, now what you have to do is to click on add to cart. Now click on checkout. Okay, now it says no hosting, click to add. Now click here to add a hosting. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Okay, so here is with free, a shared hosting with free domain and free SSL. Starter plan 550 naira per month. So these are the features of this particular plan. Okay, now if you want to choose classic plan, then you will pay 1,450, and this is the VIP plan, 4,200 naira monthly. Okay, now let me go for this one. Let me show how to get this hosting. So click on order now. Okay, so this is the domain name I selected then, so I'll click on use. Good. So this choose billing cycle. If you want to pay for month, you pay 550, but if you choose 12 months, you'll be paying 6,100 naira. That is what you'll be paying for this particular package, this starter plan, and you can host only 2 domains on this plan. Okay, now after that you have to scroll down here. Have to scroll down, then click on continue. Okay, now click on checkout. Now here is where you have to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your billing address. Okay, and when you enter these things, for example, let me enter John here. for the sake of this video, John Prince. I'll enter a random phone number here. Okay, email address johnprince@gmail.com. Then here is the billing address. The company name is optional. Then you can enter your street name. Okay. Okay. Then street address, you can leave it. Then city, Lagos. I'll also choose Lagos as the state here. Then postal code, you can choose any of the state postal code. Then the country is Nigeria, right? Are you a developer? It says here, are you a developer? You can select none or yes if you're a developer, or you select no, but it doesn't matter. Who are you creating website for? You can choose myself. Okay. Then how did you find us? You can choose Google or French or other search engine. Okay, for example, let me choose Google. Domain restaurant information. Okay, so you enter your account password here. Okay, so you enter a password. Okay, then when you enter the password, okay, so or you can use the generated password here. Okay, so you just scroll down. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Yes, you can join their mailing list, or you said no, so you click on complete order. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Okay, so here is the amount that you're going to pay. Okay, and you're going to pay it into this account number. Okay, so you're going to pay this into the account number. You can select a payment method. You can select pay stack. Then when you select pay stack, you're going to pay using your credit or debit card. Alright, now you click on pay now. Alright, so here is where you have to enter your card details. Okay, you enter your card details, right? Enter your card details here. Okay, the expiry dates. Alright, so enter it. Then the CVV2 that is at the back of your card. So when you enter, you click pay, and this 6,100 will be deducted from your bank account. All right, so when the payment is successful, they are going to send you a cPanel details. We have to log in and start building your stuff. All right, now what is cPanel? cPanel is a server where all your website files are being stored. Okay, so you're going to log into your cPanel and install everything you want to do. Okay, now let me log into my own cPanel to show you how the cPanel looks like. All right, so I'm going to log into my cPanel right now. So here is the interface of my own cPanel login. So I'll click on login right here. Alright, so here is the cPanel. When you successfully log into the cPanel, this is what you are going to see. Alright, and now what we're going to do is to install the VTU portal script, the VTU script, into our domain name. Alright, so the domain name you bought from this company, Hammer Web, you're going to install the script now inside the domain name. Okay, but I'm going to use a subdomain name now and show you how it works. Alright, so I'll click on File Manager. I'll click on File Manager. Alright, okay, so here is my subdomain name. I'll open this file, which is proof. Alright, then I'll click on upload. So now when I click on upload, what I'm going to do right now is to select the script from my system. Okay, I'll select the script from my system. Either you click on select file or I will do drag and drop. So I'm going to do drag and drop right now. So I'm going to leave it here. The script now will be uploaded to my domain name right now. Make sure that it turns green. Okay, when you get to 100%, make sure that it turns green before you can click go back to home. Okay, make sure it turns green. All right, so when you get to 100% and it turns green, you click on go back. Okay, and it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. So what you have to do is to extract it. Okay, so I'm going to extract it right now. So I'll right click and click on extract, then I'll click on extract files. All right, okay, so it has finished extracting. Okay, so after the extracting, let's see if the sites load right now. Okay, so I'll type the name of the address of the site, which is the domain name. Okay, so all right, so this is the site. Okay, now if I click on login now, it's not working. Okay, so there's something we need to do right now. We need to upload the database of this website. We need to upload the database of this script. Okay, now see what we're going to do right now. First of all, we're going to create a database. Okay, so scroll down, go to my databases. So you click on my databases. All right, it's going to load right now. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Please make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. All right, so I'm going to enter this database name demo. So I'll click on create database. Okay, after that I'll click on go back. All right, I'll click on go back. Okay, so I'll scroll down and I will now create a new user. I will also call it demo. Then I'm going to enter a password, but I'm going to use a generated password. So I'm going to use password generator. I'll click on password generator. Okay, so I'll copy this password. Then I'll click I have copied this password in a safe place. So use password. Now let me paste this password in a notepad so that I won't forget it, because we're going to make use of it. Okay, so I'll click on create user. Okay, now I have created the database name and the database username. I'll click on go back also. So I'll now scroll down to add the user to database. Add user to database. So I'll select the user demo, select the database demo. So I'll click on add. Okay, so I'm going to give this user all privileges to manage this database. First of all, I'm going to copy my database name and the username, then put it here so that I won't forget it. All right, this is username. All right, so I'll now click on all privileges. So I'll scroll down and click make changes. Okay, now I'm done. The next we're going to do is to import the database. Now let me show you how to import the database. I'll scroll down, then click on php my admin. Alright, now I'm going to select the database I created. I'll click on this plus icon, then this is it. So I'll click on this one, then I'll click import. Right, I'll click import. So what I'm going to do is to select the database from my system. So I'll click on choose file, then I'll locate where the database is, that is the SQL file where it is. So I'm going to select my okay, so I'm going to click on open, then scroll down and click import. It's going to import right now. Let's wait for it a bit to load. Good, import has been successfully finished. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to connect this database with the database details we created. Now how can we do that? Okay, so now let's connect it. Go back to the script file. Okay, now click on core, open core. All right, now click on models, open models, click on model.php. You right click, then edit, click edit again. So we are going to replace the database now we created. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Now I'll paste it here. Okay, the same thing as the username. Now I'm going to select the password, which is this one. Okay, now put it here. All right, so I'm also going to change the email address. All right, so make sure you have a custom email address. Okay, on my next video I'll show you how to create a custom email address. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you have here that says email username, so you have to enter your custom email address here and your custom email password. Okay, I have to do that. Okay, so after that I'll now click on save changes. All right, now let's check it. Let's reload the site. Okay, so let's see if this plugin now will work. Perfect, is working right now, right? It's working. Okay, so now this is the front page of this portal. Now let me show you how you can log in as admin. Let me show you can log in as admin. So your URL /admin, hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to enter my login details here. So I'll click on login. Good, so I have successfully logged in right now. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. Right, this is admin dashboard. So from here you start setting up your services. Okay, for example, you want to set how many you want to set your data price, that is your services. What you have to do is to click on services. Okay, then you go to data plans to set your data plans. All right, now here is a 500 MB MTN SME 30 days. So you click on action here. Now you have to edit. Okay, you have to also enter your plan ID, because if you don't enter the correct plan ID where your portal is being connected, the transaction will not be successful. Okay, the transaction will not be successful. All right, now let me show you how you can connect the plan ID to your data plans. First of all, you need to connect to an API. You need to connect to an API. All right, okay, so I'm going to show you one of the API I'm using. Okay, but it's not compulsory that you must use the same API. All right, so let me show you let me show you the API I'm using. Okay, so N3T data. So I'm going to log into my API account right now. Okay, so I've successfully logged into my API account. All right, so now my account is API. Okay, so I will now go to API documentation. So I'll click here. Okay, here is how you can generate your own API token. All right, so you have to convert your username and password to base64. Okay, so now for you to do that, kindly go to base64encode.org. all right, now you scroll down here. You have to enter your API username and password in order to generate the API token. All right, so you have to use a username. All right, so your username colon password. So this is your API, right? This is your API. So what you have to do is to copy it. Okay, when you copy it, then you go back to your API settings. Data API. Go to data API. Okay, so for MTN SME, so you have to paste that key here, then you select it from here. Okay, so you select it, then after that you now click update. Then when you are being connected, okay, you also change your wallet API. Okay, for example, I will add this one here, then give it a name, N3T data. All right, then I scroll down and click update details. Okay, so after that you now come back to services, go to data plans, then you now start editing. For example, let's see how much NT3 data are selling. Let's see how they are selling their own. So you go to pricing. When you go to pricing, okay, now this is the network ID. Okay, right? So before the price, let's see the network ID. This is network ID. MTN is 1, the plan ID is 1. Okay, so yes, this is 1 also. Okay, then you scroll down. MTN SME 500 MB is 108 naira. Okay, so you come back to your own, you put 108 naira here, 108. This is the buying price. Okay, the price you're buying from N3T data. Now this is the price you want to sell. Okay, you can decide to sell 150. Then agent price, you can sell 135. Then vendor price, you can sell 130. After that, you now click update plan. Alright, so this is how you can do that. Now another thing I want to show you is how to check the sales analysis, if you're making profit or not. So you click on sales analysis. Alright, so this is where your transactions will be shown. Alright, total profit. If you make profit today, it will show here. Now if you make airtime profit, it will show here. If you make data profit, it will show here. If you make cable TV profit, it will also show here. Alright, now let me show you how you can change your account name. You can say data vending. All right, Now you can change your password from here. All right, you can change your password from here. Okay, right, now you click update. All right, so the account name and the password has been changed. So this is where you have to change your account name. Then if you want to see your subscribers, how many customers you have, you click on subscribers. All right, okay, so these are the subscribers you have. Okay, then another thing I want to show you is your site setting. Okay, your site setting. All right, let me also change this one from here. Then you can enter vending.com.ng. all right, so now this is for manual funding. This is your account name, your bank account name. Okay, so you enter your account name here. Then this is the bank, either PalmPay or OPay, any bank you're operating. And this is the account number. You enter the account number from here. Okay, so this is the electricity charge, how much you charge your customers for purchasing electricity bill here, and airtime purchase. This is the minimum airtime purchase 15 naira, and this is the maximum airtime purchase 1000. All these things are editable. You can change it to 500 naira. And this agent's upgrade fee, if someone wants to upgrade to agent, the person has to pay this 1000 naira. Understand? And this is the vendor upgrade fee. If someone wants to upgrade to a vendor, if you have API, the person can connect to your API for free. But if you don't have and you want to offer it as a discount, so the person has to pay any amount you said, like let me say 15. Okay, so you click on update. All right, now let me show you another thing, the let's see, network setting. Okay, so this is where you have to enable your network setting, because if the network setting is not correct, it will not work. Yes, it will not work. So MTN ID is 1. Let's see Airtel. Airtel is 4. So make sure the services you're rendering, Airtel SME, you have to turn it on. If you like Airtel recharge card, you on it. So anyone you want to be selling on your portal, you turn it on. Okay, after that you now click update. Now this network ID, remember we use NT3 data as our API. Okay, so let's see if it's the same thing. The ID for Airtel here is 4. Now let's check the NT3 data. Let's check their network ID. Let's see the network ID here. The network ID here is 2. All right, so while the nine mobile is 4, this one is 2. Okay, this one is 2. So what I'm going to do is also change it to 2. While nine mobile is 4. Okay, so for Airtel is 2. Change everything to here. Okay, now you click on update. Then nine mobile is 4. Okay, so you have to change it to 4 so that it will be connected. Then you click, while Glow is 3, so Glow should be 3. All right, there are other API you might use, but I just use this one to show you how to connect it. All right, so another thing I'm going to show you is your website setting. That is your website style. Okay, your website style. Okay, so So you can choose 3 here. Then the dashboard, the user dashboard, you can choose anyone here. Then after that, you now click update. Yes, it has been updated. Okay, now let's refresh this and see if we can be able to log in right now. Yes, it has changed. All right, it has changed. Okay, welcome by logging to data vending. That is our portal name. All right, so here is it. Okay, so what you have to do is to okay, let me check another thing. This is for user. All right, this is for user. Okay, and if someone wants to create an account, the person will click on create account, and when the person enters his or her details here and click continue, he or she will make sure that every details here are correct, and there will be an email verification. Okay, there will be a 4-digit code that will be sent to him or her. So the person has to use that number and verify his account. If the account is not verified, the person cannot be able to log in and perform any transaction. All right, so the person has to enter a correct email. For example, if you want to register now, enter a correct email address so that I'll be able to verify my account using the code that will be sent to me. All right, so let's go back here again. Okay, now let's go to notifications. Let's go to notifications. So click on notifications. All right, now it is enabled here. It's enabled here, so I can add another notification here, then say welcome, then general, either subscribers or agents, or general. So I can enter any, I can say welcome to data vending services. So I click and add notification. Yes, it has been added. All right, okay, let me show you that this script is working perfectly. All right, let me register right now. Okay, then I enter a random phone number here, then email. I'll enter my email here, then continue. I'll select a state, Lagos, password, then confirm the password, then my transaction pin, then register. Let's wait for it. Can you see what I'm telling you? It says a verification code has been sent to your email. Please provide the code below to verify your account. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account right now, my email account right now, to get that code. Okay, so this is the code 5003. Right, so I'm going to copy it right now, then come back here, then I have to paste it here and click verify. My account will be fully verified right now. Boom, the account has been verified. Email verification successful. Alright, so this is my dashboard. So if you want to buy data, I'll click on data, then I'll select the network, MTN, select data type, SME, then select data plan, either this one, then I'll enter phone number. Okay, so when I enter the phone number, right now. So after that, I'll now click disable number validator. Okay, then click buy data. So I enter my, transaction pin and click continue. you see insufficient balance fund your wallet and try again, because I don't have any fund on my dashboard. Okay, if you check very well, you see that my account is I have 0 naira here. So assuming that I've added money here to this account, then this transaction will be successful. All right, so guys, this is how you can set up a VTU portal using this script. Okay, this script is a very good script. Okay, and with this script, you don't have, you don't need to have a laptop to do this. You can even use your smartphone and be monitoring everything, set everything you want to set. All right, so now concerning the giveaway I'm talking about, I'm going to give you this script. Okay, and this script do cost 35,000 naira. Yes, this script costs 35,000 naira. Okay, but if you're a subscriber on my channel, we are going to get this script at the rate of 15,000 naira. Okay, at the rate of 15,000 naira. But if you out now, you're going to get it for 10,000 naira. Yes, you're going to get it for 10,000 naira. Then after now, you're going to get it 15,000 naira if you're from my channel. But if you're not from my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're going to get this script for 35,000 naira. Okay, so, and also, if you get this script, if you don't know how to set it, or maybe you didn't understand this video how to set it up, I'm going to help you to set this portal up. I'm going to walk you through. Okay, I'm going to walk you through how you can get a perfect domain name and a perfect hosting. Okay, and show you how you can install this script on your domain name, and also going to show you most of the APIs that you can choose today. Okay, and be making profit from your data business. Okay, from your VTU portal business. All right, so that is that. So make sure you contact me today. Okay, using the comment section. Okay, then I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Then you get me on WhatsApp. Then you pay the money. Then I'm going to deliver this script to you. Okay, I've built a lot of websites because I'm a website developer. I build a lot of websites for clients. All right, so that is how you can get this script. Remember, this script costs 35,000 naira. But if you're from my channel, you're going to get it for 15,000 naira. But if you add now, you're going to get it for 10,000 naira. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. On my next video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a custom email address. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't know how to create a custom email address, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a custom email address. Guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video. Goodbye.